Let's see how to insert an Excel file in Microsoft Word. First, we want to open Microsoft Word. Then, go over to the Insert tab and click on Object. Here, Create from File, and then look for the file you want to insert into your Microsoft Word. And as you can see, here we have our data that was imported from our Excel file. Another method we can use is by going again to the Insert tab, click on Object, and then we can create a worksheet directly in Microsoft Word. For example, click on this Excel 97 2003 worksheet, click OK, and this will allow us to directly edit our Excel file the way we want to. And that's how you insert an Excel file into Microsoft Word. See you soon!